This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by restarting Explorer to restore the UI. Open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, find Explorer. EXE end task, then use File right arrow run new task, type Explorer, EXE and press Enter. Once done, make sure Windows updates are installed and reboot if required, because pending updates can block Explorer. While rebooting is queued, quickly clear %temp% and confirm you have free disk space. Low space often causes shell slowdowns and prevents Explorer from launching correctly. Next, repair system files and reset Explorer settings so corrupted components stop blocking startup. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano. Let it complete and follow any prompts. If SFC reports problems it can't fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then repeat SFC. After repairs, open File Explorer options, set view to defaults, and clear quick access history so bad shortcuts don't hang the shell. These steps fix corrupted DLLs and config files that prevent Explorer from opening. To finish, determine if the issue is tied to your user profile or system-wide. Create a new local admin account and sign in to see if Explorer opens normally. If it does, migrate data and remove the broken profile. If not, consider system restore or an in-place repair install to keep apps while fixing system files. If those fail, reboot into safe mode to disable third-party shell extensions and drivers. This is the key troubleshooting tip, because safe mode isolates what's causing Explorer to crash or not start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.